Welcome back, photography enthusiasts. In a world dominated by digital technology, there's something undeniably magical about instant cameras. The ability to capture a moment and have a physical print in your hands within seconds is a timeless joy. As we step into 2024, the market is buzzing with innovative instant cameras that combine nostalgia with cutting-edge features. In this video, we'll explore the best instant cameras available in 2024, ensuring you can seize every moment with style and convenience. We are confident that our recommendations will be of great value to you. For more information, be sure to check the links mentioned in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Our first pick is the Fujifilm Instax Square SQ6. This is a purely analog square format instant camera with the automatic operation, so it's as easy to use as a point and shoot. It is smaller than most fully analog models while still offering opportunities for artistic expression with its numerous creative features. This is a great option if you want high-quality images on a compact and portable camera. It produces stunningly accurate colors, textures, and skin tones with its mid-sized body that produces square prints. In addition to its user-friendly nature, this camera offers many creative possibilities. The features are more than any other. It has multiple shooting options such as portrait, macro, landscape, light, or dark, a timer, adjustable flash, selfie mode, and multiple exposures. You extend the lens when you turn on the SQ6. The power switch is on top next to the film eject slot. Its shutter release is next to the lens on the front plate, positioned so that your right index finger can fire it. There is an optical viewfinder and a flash located above the lens. It includes colored plastic gels to go with the flash, so you can shoot images with a green, orange, or purple tint. In addition to a tripod socket and a strap hook, the camera body has a socket for connecting a tripod. Only the Square SQ6 uses CR2 batteries, and it's capable of taking way more shots than any other camera, featuring gorgeous square photos, durability, and portability. The Fujifilm Instax Square SQ6 is the best choice for those who prefer the analog experience of classic instant cameras. In the second place, we have the Fujifilm Instax Mini Evo Hybrid. It's an instant camera with a digital sensor and traditional Instax technology. With this interesting combination of tech, Instax cameras fall somewhere between a printer and a camera, allowing users to store and edit photos as well as print them right from their phones. It offers 10 film effects and 10 lens effects for customizing your Instax prints. You can choose from normal, vivid, pale, canvas, monochrome, sepia, yellow, red, blue, and retro effects. In addition to normal, vignette, soft focus, blur, fisheye, color shift, light leak, mirror, double exposure, and half frame, you can also use lens effects. It combines film and lens effects for maximum creativity. With this camera, you can switch between different integrated lens effects using a lens ring. There is a 3-inch LCD screen on the back of the camera that lets you preview and edit photos before printing. Instax cameras have always produced excellent images, and the Mini Evo Hybrid is no exception. You can adjust exposures before shooting, and the flash is powerful enough to handle indoor or night shooting. This camera also comes with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery to power it and support approximately 100 prints per charge. For those who are always on the move, this camera is a great choice due to its compact size and portability. At number 3, Fujifilm Instax Wide 300. It is equipped with a flash with automatic power settings and a fill flash mode. It complements the auto exposure settings in order to produce well-lit images. It has a light and darken control for adjusting exposure for different situations. Fujifilm's Instax Wide 300 instant film camera is powered by 4 AA batteries and is ideal for capturing moments and creating memories. It can create images measuring 2.4 by 3.9 inches on a piece of 3.4 by 4.3 inch Instax instant film. In addition, the camera features a retractable 95mm 14 lens with a 2-degree focus zone setting, as well as a 0.37 optical viewfinder with a target spot for composing images. It also includes a confirmation window for confirming that the film is loaded and a tripod socket for use when additional stability is required. It comes with a close-up lens adapter that allows it to focus up to 15.5 inches away from the subject and comes with a strap as well. Overall, its image quality and features are impressive. Finally, we have the Polaroid Now Plus. There is no doubt that the Polaroid Now Plus is the best Polaroid camera and maybe the best instant camera on the market. It makes gorgeous Polaroid prints with tons of detail, and thanks to the revamped app experience, users have more options than ever. Only one real drawback remains: the film is expensive, discouraging experimentation in a format that otherwise seems well suited. It features a built-in lithium-ion battery, making it compatible with the battery-less I-type instant film for producing 3.1 by 3.1 inch prints. However, it is also compatible with the 600 type film if needed. Its design incorporates a bright optical viewfinder, a built-in flash, a self-timer, and double exposure functions, and it has a familiar form factor reminiscent of Polaroid cameras from the 70s. Its unique autofocus dual lens system incorporates a pair of lenses to suit two distinct focusing ranges. A close-up lens can focus between 1.8 and 4.3, while the distance lens can focus between 2 and infinity, and the camera switches between both lenses automatically depending on the distance to the subject. The optical viewfinder allows you to frame your images accurately and clearly. We have not seen a camera as creative as this one. With the Polaroid app and Bluetooth connectivity, you will be able to access even more creative tools. An app is available for both iOS and Android devices. The Polaroid Now Plus is probably the best instant camera in the world, as well as the best Polaroid camera on the market. Thanks to the revamped app experience, users have more options for creating retro-styled Polaroid prints than ever before. So there you have it, our top 4 choices for the best instant cameras currently on the market. Whether you're looking for a high-end camera with all the bells and whistles or a more budget-friendly option, there's something for everyone on this list. We hope this video has been helpful in your search for the perfect instant camera. Thanks for watching.